Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take out Dodge Avenger seats. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. For the front seats, slide them completely forward to expose the rear mounting bolts. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before you begin any electrical work or seat removal. This simple step prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts during the process. Once the battery is disconnected, you can proceed with removing the front seats. Locate and remove the 4 bolts that secure each seat to the floor of your Avenger. After the bolts are out, gently tilt the seat back to access the electrical connectors underneath. Carefully disconnect these wires, then lift the seat out of the car. Remember, seats can be heavy, so lift with your legs and consider getting help. Now let's move to the rear seats, which are generally easier to remove. For the bottom cushion, locate the 2 release levers or clips, usually found at the front edge where the cushion meets the floor. Push these levers or clips firmly to disengage the cushion. Once released, simply lift the entire rear seat cushion straight up and out of the car. This part often requires minimal effort and no tools. Finally, to remove the rear seat back, you'll typically find a few bolts or clips securing its bottom edge. Remove these fasteners first. Then, fold the seat back down to access the hinge bolts, usually located near the top corners where the seat pivots. Once these are removed, the seat back can be lifted out. Remember to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated during your projects. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.